Hey, it's Gar here, and today I'm going to show you in a little video here how to get rid of a stinky sink. So stand by. Alright, so if you enjoy my videos and you like them, they find them helpful, give me a thumbs up, it really helps. And if you're not a subscriber, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. And today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how I clean my gray tank out. Because, you know, you can flush your black tank, but nobody really talks about flushing a gray tank because it's kind of not needed sometimes, but sometimes you need it because when you wash dishes, food particles go down your drain, maybe some grease goes in there from washing pans and stuff. You know, you always try to wipe out your pans first with paper towels, throw them in the trash, but sometimes you do get grease and food in there. And after a while in the heat, it'll start to stink and rot, and it could clog up your sensors if you have sensors in there to measure the levels. So I'm going to show you how I clean mine out. I do this maybe once a year, maybe more often if I notice it kind of starts to stink a little bit around the sink or so, I'll do it. But typically once a year. So this is what I do. The first thing we're going to do is go inside and turn on the water heater because that's going to take some time to get some hot water. So let's go inside the water heater, turn it on. Okay, so this is my Truma, and I'll push the button here. I want hot water, so I'm going to rotate it to hot water, and then I'm going to rotate it, I'm going to hit boost. Okay, and then let's see, we're going to now come over here and set my fuels. Okay, I'm on gas, so that's good. So we're just going to go back to home here, and now you can see that it's blinking right there. That means that it's heating right now. And my freshwater tanks, my gray tank is 85% full right now. I wanted it full to give it a good rinse. I'm not going to worry about my black right now. So, and I'm not going to have my water pump on because I'm going to use city pressure water. So let's go back outside. All right, so while the water heater is heating the water, I'm going to dump the tank right now because I have 85% in there right now. And we're going to dump it, and we're just going to see what it looks like. I imagine it'll be kind of yucky looking. Oh, there goes one of my neighbors. Okay, so we're going to hook this up. Normally I'd wear gloves, but I'm just going to wash my hands as soon as I'm done. Let's see, is this how we're going to reach? Let's see. Yep. Right. Drip there. Okay. All right. So my gray water, when my hose is hooked up, I'm gonna dump just the gray right now, not the black. So come over here and film this nasty little clear elbow, and we're gonna see what it looks like. So you ready?
Kind of cloudy.
A little cloudy. Not clear, it's not clear, but it's a little cloudy. And in the meantime, I'm gonna wash my hands because I did do that. I got the water hose on. So we got water pressure, and this is just going into the gray tank right here. It's hot out. Georgia, August. Hot.
I think August is really the first month of summer here.
Yeah, it is. It's hot out. Yeah. Okay, so in the meantime, pardon the mess in here. I'm in the process of doing stuff. All right, so my gray water tank, it says I'm still 20% full. I would thought that it would have had been empty by now. Let's go take a look and see. Maybe my sensors are getting dirty. I don't know. It's 20% full right now, and it should be empty. So this is probably a good reason to clean the gray water tank. So let's get back to doing that. So the next step, I'm going to close the gray water tank because we don't want to drain out anymore. And now we're going to go fill it halfway. All right, so my gray tank still says 20%. And my water tank, my Truma is blinking. That means that it is heating water still. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to fill the gray tank with just water. And I've got the hose hooked up to city water, so my water pump is off. And we're just going to turn that on.
It's going to be hot water that you put in it?
No, not yet.
No?
I'm just putting some cold water in it. I'm letting the water heat up. And when I get about 50% full, we'll turn this off. So in the meantime,
At what point will you be ready for hot water?
when it's half full. And then I'm just gonna put hot water in there just to rinse my detergent down the drain. I'm gonna use some Cascade Complete. It's got Dawn in it because Dawn helps cut grease. So it says it powers away 24 hours stuck on food, and it's a fresh scent. And we're gonna put about a cup of this into the tank. So we're just letting it fill up. Hey, look what I found in my cabinet.
Oh,
A Goosey. That's for our son's dog.
I keep forgetting it.
You keep forgetting it.
Yeah. We are up to 50%.
Okay.
55. It's waffling back and forth, seesawing.
All right, so now, here we go. Now we're gonna put in about a cup. I'll just use a coffee cup. We'll have to wash it out anyway.
Yeah.
That's probably a cup, wouldn't you say?
Cup is 8 ounces or 4 or 6?
4 ounces.
4.
That's plenty of soap right there.
Yeah.
Okay. And we're just gonna pour this into the drain.
Wow, is that stuff
Nice.
thick? It's a
It's
gel.
Okay. Then we're gonna turn on the hot water now. And we got hot water. By waiting, it's not real hot, but it's hot. Let's see. There we go. Let's see, what's that water? I'm 95. It's 95, so it's nice. It's actually pleasantly warm. So we're gonna rinse this out though. Okay. Let's let that heat up a little bit more. It's still blinking up there, isn't it? Yep, it's still blinking.
Yeah.
Okay, so while we're waiting for the water to heat up a little bit more until it stops blinking, what we're gonna do, once that's done, is I'm gonna put another couple of gallons of water in here. So we'll have some hot water in there with it, and that'll just kind of help with the process of heating it up in there and kind of like having hot water in your kitchen sink to cut grease. And then we're gonna go for a drive, and a nice twisty drive where they kind of slosh the van back and forth to kind of swish the water around in there to hit the sides of the tank and everything. And we'll come back home and we'll dump the tank, and then I'll fill it back up with a little more fresh water and dump it. And how it looks, if it's still kind of yucky looking, I might do this a second time. But let's just see. Oh yeah, still blinking. Okay.
Wow.
All right, we're up to 100 and 120, 23, 125, 127. So it's about 127 degrees right now, 128. That's pretty hot water. So we're just gonna let that run for a few minutes. I'm gonna kind of let it run. All right, so I turned the water heater off, so we're all set to go now.
We never.
So now I need to just
experienced that,
disconnect everything. This side's clear, back's clear.
My side's clear.
All right, let's get in it and drive down the road now. All right, so now we're gonna go for a sloshing ride. Yay! So let's pull out of the canopy here, and we're gonna.
Let's swing through town, maybe. Too.
Yeah. Okay, so after a little drive around, we're gonna see what it looks like. So. Okay, we can watch it right there. So you ready?
Yeah, let's watch it from here. I think it looks fresher.
And it's a little better. You get down this one too, down that one. Same pipe.
Okay. I gotta go this way. Spike's pulling me. See, this is not such a great
Yeah, but it's
clear
nice.
elbow. I think it looks
Yeah.
about the same as before, almost.
Oh,
A little clearer.
a little clear.
Yeah, it is a little clearer.
It looks better coming out here. I mean, you can see it's nice and clear at the top.
Yeah, we have a nice fresh gray tank now.
Right, so you can see it's coming out fairly clear here. It's a nice clean pipe. So I'm just going to consider this one done. You can do it twice if you want. Just, repeat the process. But I'm not going to do it this time because I'm happy with it. So if you got any questions, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you down the road somewhere. Bye.